In this video, I will show you how you can trade live on TradingView using your Interactive Brokers account. So first, to do this, obviously you will need an Interactive Brokers as well as a TradingView account. Now, once you have both of those things, from the home screen on TradingView, just go to Brokers right here and click on it. And then here under All Brokers, scroll down a bit, and then you will be able to find Interactive Brokers in the list right there. From there, just click on Learn More, and then here click on Trade. Now, after doing that, for you, it will take you to the trading panel, and then you are probably not yet logged in using Interactive Brokers. So then you will have a pop-up where you can click Connect. So I'll show you what that looks like actually. So you have the trading panel here. From there, just gonna click on Interactive Brokers, and then here click Connect. Now, if it's your first time, you will need to gonna log in like this. So click Login, and then enter the verification code that will be sent to, in my case, my phone number. And after doing that, it is now going to connect with Interactive Brokers, and you now have a live session with Interactive Brokers. So I'll show you that this actually works. For example, here I'm on Apple, but this also works for example, Netflix, Tesla, S&P 500, or anything else that is supported on both TradingView and Interactive Brokers. So let's say that I want to do a market order for Netflix right now. And let's say I just want to do €1, so that's 0.001 share. And from there, you can then enter your stop loss, take profit, everything else. And then just click on buy, and then click send order. And now you can see the market order has been placed. So if I now go to orders, you will be able to find it right here, Netflix buy order, market price for 0.01 shares. And currently the market hasn't yet opened, it's pre-market right now. But when the market opens, if you do a market order, it will then go through very fast. And now to show you that this is live and actually connected to Interactive Brokers, I'll now open up Interactive Brokers. And if I now open up Trade and click Orders and Trades, for this I will need to discontinue my session on TradingView. So I have this pop-up right here. Then I just need to click Login. And now you can see it stops my TradingView session. But now here you can see Netflix 0.01 shares. And this is the order that I just placed on TradingView. So that way you can see that the trades are actually going through my Interactive Brokers account, and they're actually happening inside of Interactive Brokers live. So that's how to trade live on TradingView with Interactive Brokers. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.